Two marketing powerhouses face off, Klaviyo and Omnisend. Which one really delivers? On the left, Klaviyo, the data-obsessed growth engine for e-commerce brands. And on the right, Omnisend, the all-in-one platform making omnichannel marketing simple. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's what we're comparing: price, AI and analytics, segmentation and personalization, automation, channel support, ease of use and design, integrations, and customer support. Yep, it's pretty much the full buffet. You ready? Let's start with price. Okay, first up, price. Klaviyo's got flexible pricing as you scale, but honestly, if you're rocking a smaller list, the costs can get surprisingly spicy. So not super wallet-friendly at the beginning. Omnisend, on the other hand, they kind of come out swinging with a very affordable plan and a free tier that's actually usable. Of course, some features are locked behind their paid plan, but overall, you get way more for your buck as a new brand here. Omnisend grabs the win for price, hands down. Now, jumping into AI and analytics. Klaviyo, oh man, this is where they flex. Advanced predictive analytics, crazy deep insights, campaign optimization, like if you want to geek out over customer lifetime value, churn, or the best next send date, Klaviyo's got the goods. But yeah, it can feel a little bit intimidating if you're just getting started. Omnisend switches gears. It gives you AI email content and subject suggestions, even multilingual support, which is cool. But on that analytics side, not quite the powerhouse compared to Klaviyo. So yeah, Klaviyo absolutely snags this category for all the data nerds out there. Segmentation and personalization time. Klaviyo comes in hot with real-time, behavioral, and predictive segmentation, plus all the dynamic product recommendations you could ever want. The flip side, there's a lot. And if you're new, it might make your head spin at first, but once you get it, it's awesome. Omnisend prefers easy, pre-built segments, so you can set things up quick. Great for speed, not as deep for custom stuff. So Klaviyo's the winner again, if you want ultra-tailored messaging. Oh, and here's something cool to know. Did you know Omnisend is in over 130 countries? Pretty global, right? And Klaviyo? They send over 80 billion emails a year. That's like wild numbers. Let's talk automation. Klaviyo gets super creative here. You can build all these multi-branch workflows using predictive triggers for pretty much anything a customer does. Sounds sweet, but setting up those fancy flows? Yeah. Sometimes you'll need a tutorial or 10. Omnisend, though, is the king of simple, pre-built workflows. Quick setup. Great for getting automations live in a flash. But if you want crazy complexity, you might feel boxed in. Honestly, it's a tie. Both rock. Just depends if you want easy or epic. Channel support is next. Klaviyo focuses deep on email and SMS. They even sync with Facebook and Google, which is cool. Except, wait for it, they don't do web push notifications at all. Omnisend? Okay, they nail the omnichannel stuff. Email, SMS, web push, all automated from one place. That all-in-one feel is legit. The only catch, their SMS maybe isn't as intense as Klaviyo. Still, for channel flexibility, Omnisend is an easy win. Let's talk design and ease of use. Klaviyo packs in some seriously customizable templates. You can do some wild stuff, but there's a catch. The learning curve is real, not quite plug and play. Now, Omnisend, it's smooth sailing. Drag and drop, super intuitive. So if you want to jump in and go live today, this is your jam. Maybe you lose a tiny bit of advanced design control, but honestly, for most brands, that's not a deal breaker. Omnisend takes this one. Integrations. So Klaviyo actually hooks into 350 plus apps. All the big e-commerce players are covered. Shopify, BigCommerce, Facebook, you name it. Setting up the API can be a bit technical though. Omnisend, meanwhile, pairs with 160 plus tools with easy access to their API. Solid, but sometimes the depth isn't there for certain e-commerce platforms. So if you want the largest integration playground, Klaviyo wins this round. And finally, customer support. Klaviyo offers email and chat support, but there are some not so great reviews about slow responses, especially if you're on a free plan or just starting out. Omnisend really goes for it. 24/7 live chat and email, even if you're not paying much. high-tier users get a dedicated customer success manager. So if support is a big deal, Omnisend snags the point here.
If you map their strengths out, you'd see Klaviyo spikes in analytics, segmentation, integrations, and advanced automation. Omnisend pops off for price, channel versatility, support, and ease of use. It's honestly a fun showdown. Bottom line, if you want to get super nerdy with data, custom segments, and powerful automations, Klaviyo is your best friend, especially as you scale up in 2025. But if you're just starting, need a deal, or want simple all-in-one marketing, Omnisend makes life way easier. So yeah, power and depth versus ease and value, that's your pick. Did this help clear things up? Bookmark it for your marketing stack review. It's going to save you some headaches later.